Okay, so another motionlessness experiment. My eyes still hurt a little bit. They always seem to be the most painful part. As the experiment continues and I don't blink, they start to feel dry, itchy, then eventually start watering. It's not a whole lot of fun, and it's certainly the most unpleasant part of the whole process. As always, when I've tried this, I got some rather trippy visuals, but they were a little bit creepier this time around. As always, I tried to focus on a fixed point to help me concentrate, which in this case was my own face staring back at me. And as I stared and stared and stared, it changed. My face seemed to warp a little bit as I watched at various points looking a little bit drippy and melty, a la Raiders of the Lost Ark. At other times starting to resemble a face but not quite my own, and at yet other points it almost began to look like a dog as I stared fixedly at my own image staring back at me, and the outline of my glasses became darker and larger, and my lower face seemed to drop away a little bit, and so it became something looking dog-like, not in a creepy sense at all, funnily enough, almost like a pug dog. But that is what I saw, and although I know that it was just the effect of my eyes straining and blurring and out of focus, it was a little bit disagreeable, a tad creepy, not in any way overwhelmingly so. It was just a little bit unusual, a little bit odd, which I guess is what I'm doing this for. I don't feel the relaxed sense that I did when doing this exercise previously. I do feel quite alert. I'm just thinking, given that I've just been staring fixedly at my own image on the computer screen, my mirror image if you will, I suppose it was rather like scrying in a sense, so that might explain why it felt trippier than previous times I've done this. I am growing a little bit tired. It is getting quite late, but I think the next time I record one of these videos with a motionlessness experiment, I am going to ignore my own reflection on the screen and stare at the wall instead. I think that might be a little more soothing, a little more meditative. And now I feel almost a sense of anticlimax. I'm going to share a secret with you. This is by no means the first video like this I've recorded. I've tried several times tonight, desperately trying to find a way that these can be recorded and sent to people and or uploaded on YouTube. I think that by recording in 5-minute bursts I've cracked it. We'll see. Moving forwards, I'm going to try and upload these videos as often as possible. As I progress through the Libanol syllabus, doubtless things will get more interesting for you, the viewer. It won't happen for a while yet because there's breathing and visualization exercises to be done way before I get to the interesting stuff like drawing runes. But hopefully this has been something. It may even have an ASMR effect, who knows? And yes, this does feel a little bit anticlimactic, almost as if I've left some work unfinished, but I do think I'm going to leave it here. I will see you all tomorrow.